What if the reason you're still stuck financially isn't your job, your salary, or the economy, but something hidden inside your own mind? Most people don't even realize it, but they're carrying around money beliefs that are quietly sabotaging their success every single day. Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt guilty about wanting more money? Like if you become rich, maybe you'll turn into someone greedy or selfish. That mindset, even if it's buried deep, is powerful enough to block you from earning what you deserve. And it's not just guilt. Some people genuinely believe that saving every penny is the only path to security. But that kind of scarcity thinking keeps you playing small, scared to invest in yourself, in opportunities, or in the future you actually want. Another trap, waiting for the right time to start something. A business, an investment, learning a skill. Let me be real with you. The right time never comes. People who win financially start before they feel ready. They mess up, they learn, and that's how they grow. On the flip side, there's this toxic belief that hard work automatically leads to wealth. If that were true, wouldn't the hardest working people already be rich? Wealth isn't just about effort. It's about strategy, mindset, leverage, and consistency. And one of the biggest killers of financial growth, constantly comparing your journey to someone else's. Scrolling through social media, seeing people flexing their cars or vacations, and then feeling like you're behind. It's poison. It takes your focus off your own goals and replaces it with shame. And look, money alone won't fix everything either. If you're emotionally burned out or have no sense of purpose, no amount of income will make you feel fulfilled. The real flex. Building financial freedom while still being grounded, focused, and grateful. So if you've ever caught yourself thinking, I'm just not good with money, or maybe I'll figure it out later, it's time to pause and question where those thoughts came from. Were you taught those things? Did you absorb them from your environment? Because here's the truth. Every single belief you hold about money can either keep you stuck or set you free. And if you're still here listening, chances are you're ready to flip that switch. Change doesn't happen by accident. It starts with awareness. So take this moment to really ask yourself, what kind of relationship do I want with money? And am I ready to stop thinking like someone who's broke and finally start thinking like someone who's building wealth for real?